Hello, my name is Diana Marcela Bocanegra Higuera. I am 23 years old. I was born in Bogota and work in the University Manuela Beltrán in the chemistry labs. At present, environmental engineering study. I like go to parks, travel, see series, and be in the field. I don't like being locked in a computer. I invite you to visit the Botanical Garden of Bogota in the fine diversity of species of flowers, medicinal plants, and trees, which have been national heritage. There also guides that explain the characteristic of each plant and its benefit with the environmental and humans. It is spectacular to know our ecosystems and the importance they have on the planet. Thanks for your attention. Bye.